This is my first day at this school. I do not know anyone. Hi, are you new here? Yes, I am.
Today is my first day at a new school. I feel a little nervous. I hope I can make a friend. I feel nervous about school today.
That is normal on your first day.
What if I cannot make friends? You will meet someone nice. I need my books for school. I hope I do not forget anything. Today will be a big day. This school is very big. There are so many students. I feel a little nervous. This is my new school. I do not know anyone here. I hope today will be good. Everyone already has friends. They all look happy. I feel a little alone. I do not know where to go. Everyone already has friends. I wish I knew someone here. This is my new classroom. There are many children here. I feel a little shy. There are many children here. I need to find a seat. I hope someone is nice. Who is that girl? She must be the new student. They are looking at me. I will sit here. I do not know anyone yet. Maybe I will make a friend.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Let us start our lesson. Class, this is Emma. She is a new student. Please welcome her.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I am happy to meet you. Hello, Emma. Hello. You can sit near me. Hi, Emma. Hi. Do you want to be my friend? My name is Lily. Nice to meet you, Lily. I sit over there. You are very kind. It is nice to meet you. I am happy now. You can sit with me. Really? Yes, there is an empty seat.
Thank you for letting me sit here.
You are welcome. I am happy you sit next to me.
I feel better now.
Today we will learn numbers.
This lesson is easy.
I will try my best.
I cannot find the page.
It is page 10.
Oh, thank you, Lily.
Now you can follow the lesson.
Yes, I understand now.
I like this class.
Class, it is break time.
Let us go outside.
Okay, I want to see the playground. This is our playground. It is very big. We can play here. There are many children playing. I do not know what to do. Maybe I will just watch. Emma, come here! Me? Yes, come play with us. Okay. This is Emma. Hello, Emma.
Hello. Do you want to play with us?
Yes, I would like that. Come, we will play together. What do you like to do? I like drawing pictures. I like drawing too. This is my favorite time. I like lunchtime too. We can eat together.
My mother made this for me.
It looks very good.
It is my favorite lunch.
Do you want one? Yes, thank you. We can share our lunch.
You are very funny.
I like making people laugh.
I am glad we are friends.
Let us play a game.
This playground is fun. Come, we can play together. Many children like to play here. It looks very fun.
We can play together.
Did you go to another school before? Yes, I went to a school in another city. Was it nice?
My family moved here. That must be hard.
I miss my old friends.
Everything is new here. I understand. You are not alone. Thank you for talking with me.
Of course. I feel better now.
Today we will start a group project.
A project? It will be fun. Do you want to work with me? Yes, I would like that. We will make a good team. We can draw our project. Yes, I can draw pictures. And I can help with colors. You have good ideas. Really? You should share them.
I think this will look good.
It looks great.
I feel more confident now.
Let us study together. That is a good idea. We can help each other. This question is about numbers. Oh, I understand now. You are learning very fast. Thank you for helping me.
This word means friend.
Oh, I see.
You say it like this. Friend.
Friend.
This number plus this number equals 5.
Oh, I think I understand.
Try writing the answer.
The answer is 5.
I almost wrote the wrong answer. That happens sometimes. I am glad we studied together. Me too.
Tomorrow we will have a presentation.
A presentation? Do not worry.
Each group will present their project.
I feel nervous. You will do great. I hope so. I will help you.
I am afraid to speak. You can do it. What if I make a mistake? Mistakes are okay.
Hello, everyone. That sounds good. My name is Emma. You are doing great.
Thank you for listening.
Great job!
I did it. You will do great tomorrow. I feel better now. I knew you could do it.
I am ready. Tomorrow will be great.
Today is presentation day.
I feel a little nervous.
You will do great. The first group may begin. Emma, you may begin.
Hello, everyone. You can do it. My name is Emma.
This is our project. We work together. She is doing great. Thank you for listening.
This is our project. We hope you like it.
Very good, Emma.
Thank you.
Great job!
Emma did amazing.
Very well done.
Thank you.
You did very well. I was very nervous.
You did amazing.
I am proud of myself.
Emma, that was amazing. Thank you. You spoke very well. I could do it because of you.
Lily, thank you for helping me. You are welcome. You helped me feel brave.
That is what friends do.
When I came to school today, I felt very lonely.
I remember you standing alone, but now I feel happy.
You are not alone anymore. You have a friend. Today was one of the best days. I am very happy to hear that.
I was scared this morning, but you were very brave.
I am very happy we met today.
I am happy too. I hope we can stay friends.
We will always be friends.
Let us promise something.
What promise?
We will always help each other.
I promise.
I am very glad we met today. Lily, you are my best friend.
And you are my best friend too. Yay! Morning time! Woohoo! I feel so happy today! What a beautiful day. Today will be a good day. I cannot wait to go to school. I want to see Lily. School is fun now. I am ready for school. I will see Lily again. I want to tell her good morning. Today will be another great day.
Wow, what a beautiful day! I can't wait to see my friends! This is going to be the best day ever! Hello, everyone!
Emma! Good morning!
Good morning, Lily.
I waited for you. I am glad you did.
Lily! I am happy to see you.
I am happy to see you too. School feels different today.
Because now you have a friend.
I am excited for today. Me too. I like this school now. I told you it would be great. I feel confident now. You are doing great. I like coming to school. And I like having you as my friend.
Yesterday, I was very scared.
I remember. But now I am not scared.
Because you are brave. I am thinking about yesterday.
What about yesterday?
That was the day I met my best friend.
I am very happy we met. I am very happy I came to this school. I am happy too. I met my best friend here. And we will have many adventures.